biggest, the red one. The
This
biggest
is the
one.
red one.
Yeah.
This is
This
for
is
the green.
The back. The lower back, right above the elbow.
Give it at least a month.
A month.
To be safe. The minimum is 2 weeks.
So a month is when you can go swimming. Or 2
Yeah.
weeks. Oh, 2
Yeah.
weeks. Not recommended.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. Just to be safe, give it at least 1 month.
Okay.
Where are you born there?
I was born here.
Here in
Yeah, and then I moved when I was 7 years old. So I'm like mostly American now.
Is it like the designer from our
Yeah, it is.
I'm just going to Tagalog.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit.
They used to teach me Tagalog. I used to. I lost it in America. I never had to. My parents didn't speak to me, when I was there. So there's no point.
But you have friends, Filipino friends there.
Yeah, but they're all Americanized also. Like, they're born there, so they know how.
Saka dapat yung pag voice over English ha. Pressure naman. Hindi joke.
Iba na nga yung ilong ko pag-uwi eh.
Thank you.